All right, mate. Let's look here. SKL. Yeah, it's honestly, it's definitely interesting. I don't really like it, but like it could hold. Okay. I don't like the fact that it's rounded over and it had no strength, and we're kind of back into this level. But you know, I have seen stranger things happen than this holding. This being a larger deviation. Um, like just for example, you can look at this one right here, and you can see, well, when did the bull market start? Well, it started when you got cleanly above all moving averages, and it started to hold. Um, it's a long way away from getting above all moving averages here. You know, it's going to take time to develop, and I know that could still mean that even we bounce and maybe the low is here, but these could it could take time for this to get above all these moving averages, and the low could be right here. But I don't really like the way the price is sitting here. Well, the weekly already is kind of deep red. 5 days left. If this flips green, maybe we'd have to kind of FOMO in at a higher price. But at this point, you have to think that it's not overly strong yet. Like this is a great example. You get one of these candles kind of here, but it's the flush down and the pop back up and the sign of strength that actually bottoms the market. And I think we need something similar. Otherwise, it's kind of buying and hoping here without any clear signal. So for me, it's a knife catch and without a clear signal yet. And I would have a little bit of patience on it.